All right, check it out. This is something I picked up for my backyard that I wanted to show you. I just put it together. It doesn't take very long to put together, just about 5 minutes. This is a solar wind spinner. It's got a solar light on a crackle ball inside of here. It does have an LED light and a solar cell to charge. So that's all kind of self-contained there. It is designed to pick up the wind and rotate with the wind depending on your area, just as a nice little yard ornament. But for myself, I'm actually picking it up. I have a couple dogs who, they like one corner of our yard to get into this corner next to the fence and bark. And they're kind of tearing it up. So I'm going to use this actually to deter them from getting in that area. Just as a little something there that will look nice and be a little bit of a deterrent. Also, this comes with a huge, and I do mean huge, extension. So you can use this in a lot of yards and have it up high or down low. This is a, I believe, 75-inch extension here, and this simply slides on the top here, and it's completely out of frame. Slides on the top here, has a forked bottom for you to stab into the ground so that it holds nice and steady, and it's got 3 or 4 extension rods to make up the total length of it. You can use this fully extended, or like myself, I'm going to take a couple of these poles out, have it a little bit shorter for my application. Now, I do want to tell you one thing I didn't like about this in the setup process. The styrofoam that they use to pack this thing is that just really crumbly styrofoam that gets everywhere. You can, I mean, you can see pieces all over here in my filming area. It crumbled so easy. It drives me crazy. That's the one downside of all this, but it does go together super easy. You just kind of put it together with the pictures that are provided. Nothing super hard about it. So check it out.